This review of recent case citations offers a comprehensive overview of how various high courts in Pakistan approach applications for recalling ex parte orders under Rule 13 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908, Order 9 CPC. This legal note aims to distill the principles and attitudes reflected in these judgments. Key principles: diligence and proper service. Courts emphasize the importance of diligence by the parties. In cases like 2023 CLC 768 Lahore High Court, the petitioner's active participation, initially and later non-appearance without sufficient cause, led to the upholding of the ex parte decree. Sufficient cause for non-appearance. The necessity of demonstrating a sufficient cause for non-appearance is crucial. In 2023 MLD 1870 Peshawar High Court, the petitioner's failure to provide evidence of his COVID-19 illness and his delayed action were significant factors in the dismissal of his application. Avoidance of technicalities in favor of merits. The case 2023 PLC 233 Implementation Tribunal for Newspaper Employee shows a leniency towards technicalities, emphasizing the decision on merits and ensuring justice is not denied on mere procedural grounds. Condonation of delay. The courts are generally strict about the limitation period as illustrated in the 2023 MLD 1870 case. However, there is a tendency to consider the condonation of delay if justified properly. Fraud and misrepresentation. In cases where fraud or misrepresentation is alleged, like in 2023 CLD 1124 Karachi High Court, courts demand substantial evidence. Merely alleging fraud without concrete proof is insufficient to recall an ex parte order. Protection of minors. The Lahore High Court in 2023 YLR 78 showed particular concern for minors, ensuring that their rights were not overlooked and that their cases were not dismissed as routine matters. Role of settlements and compromises. The Supreme Court in 2023 SCMR 159 highlighted the importance of clear and documented evidence of any settlements or compromises that could affect the case proceedings. Relevance of procedural compliance. The Lahore High Court in 2023 MLD 511 Doctrine of Election of Remedies and Res Judicata. In 2022 MLD 1961 Islamabad, the court held that once a party chooses a specific remedy, here under S. 12(2) CPC, they cannot later pursue an alternate remedy under OIX R13, particularly after the first one fails. This embodies the doctrine of election of remedies and the principle of res judicata. Non-assailing of preliminary decrees 2022 YLR 944 Peshawar High Court. Issue of limitation and condonation of delay 2022 MLD 1490 Islamabad and 2022 YLR 361 Gilgit-Baltistan Chief Court. Service of notice and procedural compliance 2022 MLD 250 Lahore High Court and 2022 CLC 1529 Lahore High Court. Scope of the suit and constitutional guarantees. In 2022 PLD 68 Islamabad, transfer of case and lack of knowledge. 2021 CLC 757 Lahore High Court, incorrect address and representation issues. 2021 CLC 684 Lahore High Court, importance of proper notice and knowledge of proceedings. In 2021 CLC 757 Lahore High Court, Similarly, 2021 YLR 1731 Lahore High Court, service irregularities and address discrepancies. 2021 CLC 684 Lahore High Court, limitation and timeliness of applications. Cases like 2021 PLD 678 Lahore High Court and 2020 CLCN 4 Lahore High Court, fraud, misrepresentation, and jurisdictional issues. 2020 CLC 111 Peshawar High Court, 2021 PLD 678 Lahore High Court, consideration of merits in original list. In 2021 CLC 25 Lahore High Court, the court observed that while dealing with applications for setting aside ex parte decrees, the merits of the original lawsuit could be considered, which indicates a preference for adjudication on merits rather than purely on technical grounds. Multiplicity of remedies and choice of legal action. 2021 PLD 678 Proper service and opportunity for hearing. 2020 MLD 562 Principle of election of remedy and res judicata. 2020 PLD 361 Islamabad, strict adherence to limitation periods. 2020 CLCN 4 Lahore High Court and 2019 MLD 1082 Peshawar High Court. Situational flexibility in limitation. 2020 CLC 111 Peshawar High Court, consideration of circumstances and merits. 2020 MLD 1166 Lahore High Court, concealment of facts and fraud. 2019 YLR 2423 Lahore High Court, importance of proper notice and adherence to principles of natural justice. 2019 YLR 43 Lahore High Court. Conclusions. Pakistani courts, in dealing with applications to recall ex parte orders under Section 13 of Order 9 of the CPC, demonstrate a commitment to ensuring procedural fairness and adherence to legal formalities. The decisions reflect a balance between strict enforcement of rules, particularly regarding service and limitation periods, and a consideration of individual circumstances and merits. The courts emphasize the principles of natural justice, fair trial, and discourage any form of misrepresentation or concealment of facts